What's up guys, it's me Geek. If you just lost your Nintendo Switch official wall charger, or you need an external charger, one for putting with the dock and one for carrying around, you need a 27 watt wall charger. So I bought the aftermarket for 20 bucks wall charger. So now let me open it and jump to the unboxing table. Switch it up.
I gave my hand for you to hold.
So here it is, the aftermarket charger for your Nintendo Switch. Now let me open it. Okay, here we go. This is literally quite amazing aftermarket charger. You can't go wrong with this one. Wow, I am happy. I'm literally happy with it. Yeah. This is 100% exactly nearly the same quality, but at the half price of Nintendo Switch. Wow. Can I recommend this one? Definitely yes. It was me, G Maggie. Subscribe and bye.